All right,
It's your man, Auto Alchemist.
and I got another unboxing here for y'all. Oh, whoa. This is a Matchbox action driver with the FedEx. Sorry with these lights. Let me turn them down a little bit. And, oh, yeah. Let's get up into it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Hey, how you doing? Ah, ah. All right, check it out. Check it out. Look at this. Oh, yeah. We got the FedEx truck with a window on top. Window on top. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, it comes with a custom sunroof. You know, that's kind of cool. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Check out the wheels. Styling. Alrighty. Uh, yeah. They always put these things there. Alright, we got some stickers. Directions. Stickers. Stickers. We have the base plate. Looks like the street. Looks like another piece of the street. Don't know what the heck this is. Maybe we shouldn't have thrown those directions away. Either way. And then we have the base. This is the foundation. And then got the FedEx. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together real quick and let's see what it looks like, yo. I believe this thing goes attached to here as such. Just like that. All right. And then this piece, I believe, goes here. Just like that. And then this piece in the front like this. Okay, so then we got something that looks like that. Still trying to figure out where this piece goes without having to look at the directions. Oh, I found it. It actually goes right here. I promise you I didn't look at the directions. Alright, so that thing, and then it opens up like that. Boom. It's like a little... Yeah, man. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on some of these stickers here for y'all. So y'all can check it out. I actually have these streets on there wrong. So he's going to back up that way. Hopefully, blam. Just blam. Just hit the thing. You got the sliding door. Yep. And then you got this guy that's triggered off by this one here. So when it comes in, backs up, you actually see that this thing opens up. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Something different there. I believe all these driver sets do come with like some sort of pop-up thing. So that's pretty dope. Again, this thing slides down. A little package. I guess that's what that is. They plop down the stickers there. Stickers. FedEx custom parking. Yeah, looks like FedEx is gonna be our main delivery. Uh-oh. What's that? Uh-oh. Is that USPS? What the? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Whoa, dude. Oh, shoot. Oh, they're gonna go to war. Oh, my God. Ah! Anyways, there you have it. It is the FedEx Matchbox Action Driver set. I actually like this one. I like these real world sets, these setups that they got going on. Shout out to Matchbox for getting some detail. Again, they always have great detail. This one, unlike the other one, I mean, yeah, there's a back door. There's a back door right there. So yeah, they're still putting some detail in these things. Again, we'll let the feud die down a little bit. These guys aren't having it. UPS, FedEx, and USPS. Yeah, they go to war, yo. But anyways, I guess we'll... Hey, man. Calm down. Okay.
We gotta go, man. These two are gonna go about to have a. Oh my gosh, man! Can't y'all just chill? Anyways, thanks for watching. Whoa.